Welcome back to the breakdown. Today we're going to be taking a look at a power drill set, maybe a power screwdriver set is a better way to describe this. This is a very nice compact set of bits here, so you can do a lot of different manual labor things without having to spin your screwdriver. Mostly focused on electronics, putting computers together, repairing minor things. But there is some drawbacks when it comes to power. For example, if you want to drive screws into a wood to secure a door, for example. We'll talk about what this is good for, what this is not good for, and some catches you need to be aware of with it. First though, a few disclaimers. This was a review unit that was sent to us that they don't get to see the review though. Even though they sent us this, they're watching it on YouTube just like you are right here for the first time. Second, pricing on this changes so rapidly. Hate to give you a price and have it be wrong. I'll put a link to this in the show notes and in the first pinned comment on Amazon, so you can find it there. And if you don't get a question answered there, leave me a comment. I'll try to answer them in the comments down below. Lastly, before we get into it, if you're new here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. Let YouTube know you enjoy what we do here so YouTube recommends our videos to more people, helping us grow and hopefully helping you break free from the high cost of cable or of buying the wrong thing. Force a habit there. All right, let's dive into it. Right off the bat, it's a pretty nice metal case. You have this little button right here. On it, you also have a USB-C here to recharge the internal battery to charge the drill, which is really nice. You press this and it just slides out. Oops, sorry, that's very loud. Let me put this down real quick. That was very loud, very sorry. It's got a ton of drill bits and different types of screwdriver bits. Now, a few things right off the bat. These are not exactly the standard size drill bits here, or bits period. So they're really designed specifically for this device here. Now, a few things with that. This device is intended to be used or recharged in here, but it comes with a little additional head or cap on the end here. Oh, let me take this out. There's a cap you can screw on the end here, and if that cap's not on here, it doesn't make a perfect connection. You see how this slides around here? So it will stop charging as you move it around. So you got to put that cap back on pretty much every time if you want to make sure it recharges. There is dozens of options here of different bits for different needs and the like. The actual device itself is pretty standard. You got reverse, you got forward, you got a little LCD screen here that tells you how much power you have left with it and the like. The little charging base in the back, and then where you drop in the drill bits here. Let's take a look at everything that came with this, and I'll break down a few pros and cons. Number one pro, there's really a wide range of different bits here, and it's very easy to get them in and out. They did a very good job of presenting them all. And I think for most people, if you're looking for a general little screwdriver around the house to do things, this would be okay. If you're just, for example, tightening a loose screw on a pair of sunglasses, there's very small bits that will work for that, or other things. This though is clearly targeting people who work with electronics and are using those tiny screws on electronic boards and the like all the time. This is a very, let's be honest, nice screwdriver, but it's not very powerful. This isn't like, oh, I'm gonna take this 2-inch drywall nail, or screw I should say, and screw it into here, or I'm gonna use this to rehang a door in my house and put the hinges back on. Maybe if it's all pre-drilled and was previously there, that this could handle it. Honestly, this would probably run out of power. Doesn't have enough power to ram through oak, for example, if you're driving a 2-inch screw into it. That's where you want a more powerful drill. But for smaller projects around the house, this is quite nice and very powerful, and highly would recommend it. My one annoyance is that with the case, you have to keep putting back on that little adapter in order to keep it charging, or you have to stand it up vertically like this when it's in there to make sure it maintains a firm connection to recharge. In our testing, the battery was excellent. Easily handled multiple minor projects around the house, and again, every time you dropped it back into the case, it instantly started recharging, which is really nice. The drill bits are a different size. You're not just going to go to Lowe's or Menards and buy a drill bit set or a bit set period and use it with this, because they're going to be too large. This is meant for a smaller than standard size. Now, with that all said, if you need a low power screwdriver to do minor tasks, like I said, you're working with electronics, doing a lot of small screws, just minor things around the house, this is really excellent. This is a very good low power screwdriver, especially for the price. 2 thumbs up for it, with the caveat of what it is what it is. And if you want to use it like a drill, let's be honest, you need to be honest that this is not going to replace your Bosch or whatever brand Milwaukee drill you have with it. So 2 thumbs up for what it is. Link in the show notes. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and let me know. Until next time, take care, be safe. I'll talk to you all real soon.